Yes, my country people, una well done. How everything? We hope so una day okay and everything day all right. You're welcome to the program Make Them Talk. Make Them Talk na program where they say we they pick up the things where they say they happen for country, the things where they reign inside the news, and we they bring and come so that country people go understand that and also feel chook mouth put and talk their own as I see the issue and as I see the matter and as the matter they concern them and as the matter they worker. My name na Ehis Agbon and Make Them Talk that program where they come up every day of the week by 9 o'clock in the morning and 9 o'clock in the night. Now we'll do the repeat of the program. And inside the program, we'll pick the major things where they inside news, then carry those things where they inside news, come make them issues where we'll talk about. Plenty things in news, so and we will see how we'll fit talk about all of them today so that countryman, country people, and everybody will understand these things and also join to chook their mouth for the conversation. And of course, for those who say want chook mouth, now if you call our studio line on 0809-799-1989 and 0809-4646-206. Una also if you call the Una also feel drop on a voice note or send us message for WhatsApp. The WhatsApp handle na 0809-799-1989 and 0809-4646-206. May I give you that one again? Meanwhile, for those who watch us for television, una also say the thing they roll, it there for screen. Now that one be our phone number 0809-4646-206 and 0809-799-1989. Also, una fit reach us through social media. We there for different social media handle. We there for YouTube, we there Facebook, we there TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and of course we there for Thread. And our handle now at Procyon RTV. At Procyon RTV. For radio people, the spelling of Procyon are Procyon RTV. And for those who they watch us, now say we write down for the screen at Procyon RTV. I get my analyst today. We don't sit down, and he don't be regular analyst from Make Them Talk. His name na Mazi Uche na Ijegalu. Mazi, welcome to Make Them Talk.
I greet you, Mr. Ehis. Today, I believe God will be with us more. Don't worry.
Okay, and plenty story like I talk full gram. Make una not forget say every day we dey make sure say we go through Nigeria. Go bring una the story where they for Truth Nigeria their website because Truth Nigeria now people will be say that they support us for Procyon RTV. So we serve. They make sure say well anything with them they do. They make sure say the people they hear about and plenty things in their website. Their website now truthnigeria.com. Now, for the website of Truth Nigeria today, we're going to hear a story about the picking of one Odonge I feel use Odonge for terrorists. One terrorist man in Pikin we don't cross carpet, don't go meet Nigeria soldier. Also, for inside Truth Nigeria website, we're going to see Nigeria struggles to improve oil production despite setback linked to corrupt officials. That's our struggle for Nigeria to improve our oil production. Even say bad people when no one let us get peace of mind as per say that they corrupt, that no one made the thing happen as it's supposed to be. The story on Deborah Emmanuel stated here, I'm going to read and get more details. And the one we also come from soldier say Boko Haram degraded by 90%. Northeast Theater Commander. Now he talked that one. All the sources that story one also for truthnigeria.com. Make una just go there, go visit her. Plenty other stories full there. I just say time no go let us begin to tell now all of the stories. The other story one we'll look today now. Not be news again say the minimum wage discussion with federal government and labor get say the thing scatter yesterday night. Take for say the proposal where the federal government talks say 48,000, it did very small compared to the 615,000 naira one labor say they want as minimum wage. We go also look the one we come from United Nations where they talk saying 5.9 million Nigerian children now then they face malnutrition and very strong hunger. Also for the program today, we will put Tiro for the eye with the one we come from EFCC angle. That's days after EFCC arrest 20 civil defense top shot. Things don't they happen for civil defense. Waiting with the things, when I will hear them in the course of the program. Like I tell you before, to shoot man for the program, and if you call our line for 0809 799 1989 or 0809 4646 206. I don't hear the numbers. Now the numbers with that. When if you send WhatsApp message or WhatsApp note, now if you also send message to our social media handles. And the social media handles now at Procyon RTV. We're there for YouTube, we're there Facebook, we're there TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and also for Thread. So make una join us, follow BLD, and make una join us do the things we want to do today on the program. So make we begin diluting one by one, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. We'll start with the first story, where be the son of a terrorist defect to Nigerian army. Now the story on the Boko Haram, one of the terrorist people became, if I remember, Mahmoud Albanawi, where be picking of one of the Boko Haram Oga, they don't defect to army. Make I just give an editorial, I say appear for Truth Nigeria, because I'm from Truth Nigeria and I will carry this story. In a shocking turn of event, Mahmoud Albanawi, the eldest son of the founder of Islamic State of West Africa province, Maman Nur, has surrendered to the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC, in Maiduguri, Borno State. The development marks a significant milestone in the fight against terrorism in the region. Mahmoud, 22, surrendered on Sunday, May 12, and after confiding in an unnamed uncle in Gamboru, Ngala, about his decision to surrender to the federal government. According to security analyst Zagazola Makama, Mahmoud was confirmed to be the son of the late ISWAP co-founder after undergoing profiling at the NSCDC command headquarters in Maiduguri. The journey to Mahmoud's surrender began when he sneaked out of the Ali Ungulde camp in Mandara Mountains, Goza local government area, and made his way to Maiduguri. He stayed in the city for about a month, living in Gwange before relocating to Gambaru Ngala. Throughout his journey, he avoided detection by security forces and did not raise any alarm or distress sign from the communities he passed through. During his stay in Gambaru Ngala, some of his late father's loyalists tried to persuade him to return to the Lake Chad area and pay allegiance to ISWAP. However, Mahmoud refused, citing the betrayal and eventual execution of his father as a reason for his decision. And I don't hear editorial as a B, and this one where he don't cross over. That's not say that they do since for Nigeria. Anytime any person cross over for Boko Haram, they will just allow the person to go enter soldier or enter any of our security forces. We don't know how they will handle this one, but maybe we'll see how they will do it. Maybe we enter the next story now, will be the story on the minimum wage. Labour dumps negotiation over federal government's 48,000 proposal. Labour say they're not going to do as per federal government say. Now, 48,000 they will pay for minimum wage. The Nigerian Labour Congress and Trade Union Congress on Wednesday dumped the minimum wage negotiation after federal government offered to pay 48,000 naira, a figure far below the 615 the unions were demanding as new national minimum wage. After abandoning the session, the furious Labour leaders summoned an emergency press conference where they vented their displeasure with the offer, describing it as an insult to the sensibilities of Nigerian workers. This was the second time in 2 weeks that the negotiation had run into trouble. The last session had on April 29 deadlocked after organized labor insisted on 615,000 naira minimum wage. The federal government also disagreed with labor and said what they are demanding for is unreasonable. However, the national president, Joe Ajaero, that's of NLC, explained that the amount was arrived at after analyzing the current economic situation and the need of an average Nigerian family of 6. Okay, from the labor, I know go agree, and the worker when the worker come out for the negotiation. We will enter the next one where the United Nations says 5.9 million Nigerian children facing malnutrition, hunger. Yes, this one are the story where they come from United Nations. And part of inside the body of the story, they talk say the number of Nigerian children facing acute food shortage and hunger has been put at 5.9 million. The United Nations resident coordinator also disclosed this at the launch of the 2024 the Lean Season Food Security and Nutrition Crisis Multi-Sector Plan. Lean season and that season between June and September when they plant when they never harvest. Okay, according to fall with the man and the resident coordinator, the plan seeks to harmonize with existing government investment and actions in the area of food assistance, health, water, and sanitation, with the target being northeastern states such as Borno, Adamawa, and Yobe. So hunger dey land, United Nations say na 5.9 million Nigerians. Now then be say hunger go show them shege if Nigeria and the world no do what they're supposed to do. And the last story what we will take or make them talk today. Now the one where we say days after EFCC arrest 20 NLC top shots, things don't begin happen for civil defense. Yes, as junior officer, I don't begin noticing different mysterious money just they enter their account anyhow. The fear of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, is the beginning of wisdom to some people at the helms of affairs at the office of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. This is because mysterious huge amount of unsolicited funds are hitting the salary accounts of personnel of the agency, especially people in the lower cadre. An officer who pleaded anonymity, that's the officer no one made a mention know him, told the newsmen that NSCDC officials are suddenly seeing over 300,000 credited to their salary account without a subheading. According to the source, the officers are confused about the funds secretly being lodged into their salary account without stating what the monies are for and are afraid of the development. The source divulged that the staffers are confused about what they termed strange addition on their salary account. If I read body of the story now, say plenty things that will not happen before they will go outside work, election work, they will see money. Nice suspects as EFCC visit them, maybe not because of that. Now fear catch all those big guys where they arrest about 20 of them, where we say money can enter the junior staff their account anyhow. Some chop and some fear to touch the money. If not you, what you go do? All right, when we come Mazi place now, may we begin the dialogue with this discussion. The first one we talk about are the picking of one terrorist where defect go join Nigeria army. So terrorists they defect from inside bush, bandit and all of that come join Nigeria army. I don't say in the past, even the one where the defect wey be say na capture them. That they still talk say they will give them amnesty and make them go. This boy that what you see say do this, how you see and what you think about this issue?
Well, truly, I see. I just get mixed feelings about the whole thing because let's really just come out from dread group like that. Can't say they go Nigeria army. Well, now to me, one way as I say, I'm a welcome idea, but in the other way, which kind of soap don't they wash that clothes dirty? Soap don't use to wash them. We sure say the cloth go white. If you become white, we sure say not really white. Because the thing they tell me, this country every morning we just wake up, go see stories where they give us headache, plus the wahala where they had, and now we just they come. Okay, see now, how are we sure say this guy now no be sponsor the sponsor? Yes.
That one I have it tough.
How we sure say no be they just arrange him, maybe just go get some information. Now which day we dey for this country, then these guys go NDA, go enter. If no be man, we no man. If no be say guy as he big, Nigeria army, a whole Nigeria army, no thing them be.
Not just ordinary army, NDA, the highest level of training for military for Nigeria.
For Nigeria, if civilian here, Nigeria army, it is peace for clothes. Now these people enter. If not be who know who has arranged.
So they catch top of it. Should I major the cat that I kill her?
The thing they tell me. I don't feel talk anything about this. So I don't feel say they're happy because this thing where they happen now. You better me will chook eye inside and look and where. Because they say you confirm one uncle unknown, no, they don't mention your name. Waiting then discuss. Waiting be that discussion then discuss as they go. Who will be the first to say talk to him? Or the group of people talk to him as he make that move. And he make that move, they sneak. How you imagine he sneak? Come on, sneak for where? How he take sneak? To me, if not truly say he won't go do the right thing, in one way, the Nigerian Army or Nigeria Civil Defense fee gets information from him. You understand? We will help Nigerians. But if not say na RNG, well, all I know is a person will live for where house where get glass, not the throw stone. No. Because if you throw stone, it's either the stone hits the wrong place, come back to you, or you go break your glass. You understand? So finally on this one, I want that clothes where they wash. When they wash them with clean soap or omo, we know whether it be white clothes or not.
All right, when I don't hear that one, and the two way Mazi talk. Now we enter the second one. The Nigerian Labour Congress said the minimum wage where they want now 615,000 naira. Nigerian government they offer them 48,000 naira from the 30,000 naira. Now they provoke that come up for the negotiation. Say they no do. So what kind of insult be that? How you see them? Now insult I be how because government say now what did they fee pay? For your thinking now what did they fee pay? How you generally see this negotiation when the Nigerian Labour Congress they do with federal government and the worker when the worker come out yesterday because of the offer.
Now since yesterday I carry calculator the press. And the press calculator on 48,000 naira. Ask myself, a bag of rice now, foreign rice for Nigerians they call it now 95,000.
Yes.
That's where he gets his children. And they work for government. You can't give them 48,000. One pack of Maggi na you go buy, I been a 1 cup of sugar. I go price milk, that the 1 cup of milk, they say that 1,000 a cup of milk.
Wow.
8,000 naira. That means one mudu for here, what they not? Go be like 9,000 naira. Then how we want to manage 48,000? Truly, labor say na 615 they want. But they say now when right hand wash left hand go wash right hand.
Yeah.
To me, everybody try to see that say every Nigerian is smile. But if you say federal government is setting high, but federal government is supposed to even do something. To me, this one they laughable.
You don't want to they even make me laugh for this one. Edo State, you come on Edo State. The minimum wage rate of Baseke fixed 2 weeks ago now 70,000.
Imagine.
Now if a whole federal government.
Wetin be the amount wey they give senator for reading newspaper?
I tire.
You get some senators wey never talk one day for that. They see this government truly they provoke Nigerians. They make us feel like say we don't know what they do. One man goes down there, we about that man academically know nothing. They just vote and goes down there. They read the paper. You go hear newspaper allowance, you hear wardrobe allowance, you go hear senior allowance, you go hear allowance. For what now? People they read do the work. Even teachers will be saying that them the people supposed to get money. A teacher they trek in shoe, you don't tear for leg. He trek from how to walk. If you don't even get hope of Gary where you go drink. This is laughable. It's laughable for God's sake. 48,000 for waiting. Now pocket money, I've been waiting. Government, now they hear me this morning. I beg una, make una do something. Because this one not be anything now. How much we kill at the open door? Not true now. Not true. Labor now they try. But una own part too. Because if I look this way, I go look the other way. If I feel calm down a bit, if I feel calm down, drop down a bit. Let's say like 250, 300. For government, if you come up to 200, we they work on because if government want introduce fuel, they know okay, how much be fuel?
Yes, fuel.
How much is fuel now?
Government price they say 620, but we know so what most the people they buy for different parts of the country they different. Some places they buy over 1,000 a liter. Like for Kaduna now about between 740 and 850 depending on the filling station and all of that. For Abuja, it is 680 and it's all different parts of the country. They say now let me even assume say. Labor they say 48,000. If mistakenly the worker get Okada.
How much go far? Let's assume say person live for Zuba and the office dey Mararaba and he can't be say he gets one small tuke in the drive. You can't buy fuel. You give am 48,000 today. You can't go carry 12,000 buy fuel. How much go remain here? 36,000. 36,000. That money they come for house. You say, madam, manage your life as guys bill. take 10,000, no take manage. Inside 10,000, federal government break am down for now. I want to understand what we know these things. Inside the 10,000, for Kaduna where they stay, you go buy 1 tier of rice, will be 2,500 local one. No?
Yes.
Then 1 tier of rice for Kaduna, foreign one at 3,500 or 3,450. Then oil, then fish. Now 1 meal with that.
Yes.
For morning or afternoon. Then the night, another 10,000. 1 day, this money don't
finish.
Then what are you saying, for God's sake? And we have senators, have members House of Rep. They drive car. We go feel buy community. One person they drive car. We go feel buy the whole community. What is that now? Are we not all Nigerians? What did they happen?
So waiting they happen. The thing where we say we go ask people. Next, when we look at this one, where they talk say United Nations saying 5.9 million Nigerian children. Now then they face malnutrition and hunger.
That was not correct.
It's too much.
You know, correct. I know. In fact, I don't agree with them at all for that one. This one, when I children, when they say Nigerians, both adult, even when they are hungry, they catch me. Not true now.
Mazi, na chairman you be.
Forget about chairman. I know how. You know that trip from my house comes to this morning. See 9.5. It should be 20 points because everybody they hungry. This one they link to that one where everybody cry for. Yes. It's they link to
yes.
You understand?
Yes.
If okay, Oyibo people don't see them, say hunger day. But fragment they see them so. Not the people that they catch, they run up and down. This one you go say it's 10 billion, no, 388 billion. Where they can go, no have money. Now so the story go there, tomorrow they don't go hear anything about them again. See, this thing is wrong, it's wrong. What to accept truth now? Imagine, even though Oyibo now they laugh for say hunger, they kill us, and we wear about
yes.
If your pikin not chop and they bounce for road, what you don't do? What you don't do? What have you done?
Wait till you gain.
I beg, this one is not sweet me, I beg.
All right, maybe we can look the last one now. Will be the begin for Nigeria Civil Defense because CSC entered there, begin and arrest 20 of their organs, different money on the entire junior staff, and they're suspecting now all those outside work where they send them go do. When government don't give the alarm, why they no agree pay them. Now be the money where they suspect they enter the account now. Must some leaders be wicked to their junior staff, most especially government workers, government offices? Allowance where junior staff supposed to take, go see the allowance where you supposed to see them and all of that. Why Nigerians be like this, Mazi?
The truth be say, you see this work they call probation. To me, normally for some companies or some offices, they will give you 3 months probation before they look at you, or meetings or organization before they decide they pay you or those things, before they make you their remember. I think the probation is supposed to come back. If you don't work for 2 years, you go on probation again. 3 years probation. You know why? Because imagine say they catch people. Junior staff will never see 200k for him account. Don't they see like 1 million? Now who want full who? Now arrangement now. Because that money when I keep junior staff, you go there. If you touch a moga go, you know now when you come out, you go to happen now. You understand? The truth be say, this country, now our country, we not go live and go anywhere. Anybody where they try say we go run, now lie. We die here, we die here. Nothing they happen. We will make sure say good. EFCC chairman them, what do they do now? Sorry, NLC. What be this one now? Now with the hope, the kind of hope we'll get for now. Because now I enter bush, go they catch some men, now they do some things for us, they happy so I don't show. But now what did they happen? Now who will say that we'll put our hope on? Who will say we'll put our hope on? All those money where they credit the accounts. Anybody where they credit the account, hold the money, chop them. Now your own. Now your money. If they do, can they go court?
No court. Go back to the EFCC, go blow whistle.
How can't it be that now? More I send to my account. If I have you call here, send 20 million call. More I say, what should they worry these people now for God's sake?
My country people, make them talk. Now be the program, and I don't hear Mazi Ijegalu analyze them from your angle. And I believe so now they watch us and those who they listen to us, and I don't pick sense from the talk when we talk this morning. And no, don't forget say in the evening also from 9 o'clock when I go see here this program again. Between now and then, we want to remind you now, say if you want to watch and listen to Procyon radio and television, make you go download our app from Google Play Store. Once you download the Procyon radio and TV app, with that you go feed the listen to us wherever you day. You go feed the watch Procyon television wherever you day. You can also feed the read news for procyonnews.com. Now one stop shop. Now here they call it. That's one place where one basket where everything there. na the Procyon Radio and TV app. Go Google Play Store, search for Procyon Radio and TV. Download the app, install it for your phone, and anywhere when you go to hear us. Meanwhile, when I go YouTube, go subscribe to our channel, because plenty things go soon begin happen. Una remember Chopathon, what would they do before? That competition of chop. They come back very soon. Also, the program Ground Zero. Yes, we don't nearly finish arrangement with other stations where we they also air Ground Zero. So now they also hear from different stations very soon. And now from 5 to 6 in the evening, that will be Ground Zero. No, don't forget, say every morning from 6:30 to 7, the newspaper review they come up, and the newspaper review now another program where owner also supposed to listen to, so that when I go start to that day with understanding and knowing what they happen for news. By 7 o'clock, after we do weather report, we go hear area Tori, the program where the area Tori women will come give a story and this what they happen for area. By 7:30 we get news, and after that news, we go do trending, where all rounder now him be the regular and consistent guest for the trending program. Then by 8 o'clock every morning, na time for Ayimbu Undi Igbo. Of course, now Mazi, Ijegalu, now they anchor that one by 8 o'clock every morning. Our major news now 12 every day. We do the repeat news by 6 in the evening. So, like I go tell all of the time, make una keep shining like stars where una be. Una, bye-bye, see you tomorrow.